Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Hello everybody. I hear you. I hear you now. All protocols duly observed. That is you. All my people. How are they? Somebody start from the beginning, Abby. And I don't know. It was nice when I sit down on the top long thing. Are you ready? Everybody, make this up. We got our continent. So, all of us say, we know a new state. So follow John by Janty. So I got it back. Be for brotherhood, love your neighbor as yourself. O for objectivity, be objective, gentlemen and ladies. D for democracy, no matter how bad it is, you better military. I wish I told you that too. I'm going to love the Trump one. Put your hands together yourselves, man. So we're here today by courtesy of the Nigerian police. Put your hands together for them. I really and truly appreciate the initiative. I appreciate this conversation. I appreciate this gathering. Because every time we do point fingers, our problem of Nigerians. This person doesn't do well, this person doesn't do well. You do well. You have to start from the mirror. Most of the time, we have to start from the mirror. But we know they like to judge ourselves, we like to judge people. Every time you point one finger, I think they point at you, you know that. So each time you want to judge somebody, you have to talk about yourself too. Am I right? Am I doing the right thing? Whenever people they pass, they drive for one way. And then see you, and you then they do work after. That's what Nigeria has got into. People they do wrong, they don't even know something. So my people, even if you don't like Nigeria, they travel everywhere. Anything you see for you, bring and come back. Because you know what? No matter where you go, make him not forget. Make him not forget. Sing a yeah, see how I wish, say, I could reach you anywhere, say anywhere you may, so far away, that one don't say maybe they go. So, but you know anything happen for area too, I mean? Some people they change zeros from inside those offices. And then teach our boys how to carry laptop. I lie. They don't share for inside the offices of the ministries and all those places before the boys start to share. I be like that. go catch the hunter. See when they push me go catch the hunter. See them fight for them aeroplane. On top of only play for people maintain. I don't tell you to they complain. Because when the match up said they complain. What a night in a hour. Everywhere just blocking no power. Only power that they want when they get it. When they use the oppress some people for the ghetto. What could be the answer? Could it be that we don't matter to them? So they chop my money, your money, every other person money, oh yeah, and I can keep it. Okay, put your hands together, sir. I'll make an singer with you. Until I do action time, so I won't sing this song. Anything I talk, I say, gang gang. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Well, sing, don't reach action part. Now, what is you go to hear the dance? Then the boss will come down now. Because the principal actors don't like. If you walk out for streets one day, gang gang, you hear the sound making noise, gang gang. They come again, gang gang. They come again, They come again. See them come. Kaki come out about that begin. God come out about the regime. When they begin preaching sanity, and God know what they put inside the tea. We be the chop on shagari the rain, but now I don't fish shagari again. And they want my salary and I pay. It's time things they have a room again. People tell me make I no complain. People say sometimes maintain. Election time I go campaign. Then I go stay for mountain. Because when I be your president, I someone could be my residence. When they chop national cake, I say that the one where the mama bake. If anybody else want it, then go vex, then go vote, then go back. You can only lick the icing, or do you want inflation rising? If you chop the cake, not treason. They go say, oh yeah, carry on, go prison. They come again. They come again. See them come. Look at it now, the third part. The talk say, after they die. MK or more people they cry. Everybody lean like toothpick. Now for real, no be film trick. The last thing, boss make love. That one na for 18 and above. They carry a shit up, hustle rock. Make him and J boy go. So they come they do overskill. When I say by himself, he go kill. He carry overdose, Viagra. Child, death of a life. Oh, what a national disgrace. I'll go tell CNN this case. We can't give business to the press. Maybe not say na cardiac arrest. We just a fool ourselves. But now I go to food for myself. Salami and impact, ego. So now in the past, hero. All hail on Mushagera. We'll say that go share. Oh yeah, they come again. Now listen to the third part. Action time for Senate House. And by years they do chest and left. Chest left, right and center. Nobody will come out, nobody will enter. They can give the same characters of Nigeria before and after. When I begin call the names, we will begin to pull the one game, I'm going to pull the one game, I'm going to pull the one game. This game, that game, I'm going to pull the one game, I'm going to pull the one game. This game now, for this game, if you are around when they win at the room, just say an actor. Are you ready? Now, Zeke, sure you don't watch the film? You actor before, what about Nori Tarashi, you don't watch the film? The killer for film. Shagadishi, you don't watch the film? Let's just not come out. Baba Didashi, you don't watch the film? You don't step aside. Abacha, I won't watch the film. You act on nothing, what about the Shagadishi, you don't watch the film? You act part 1 and 2. When you get put your hands there for yourself. No, it's nothing. I got a lie, anything I talk about. I lie. Somebody say yeah. Spend my money every day. I don't care, she walk away. See, I am ready Not too much, you know. Not just like the one time, but no. I spend my money every day. I don't care, she knows I will. But I'm ready to be on the way. What did I do now? But that's what I do. It's not working. How can I love you? And you're scared. This is how they cannot work. Your face is fine. But as I see you from the field, I can't go to your staff. I know, but just stay your line. I'm sorry. So this man, the teacher, I feel I want to hug, but the teacher can stop. They're fishing me. Madam, thank you. Put your hands together for this wonderful girl. Wonderful officer and CSP. Newly decorated CSP. Oh my God.
This sounds so
People
tough.
will find for this watch, can you imagine? Can you see me? Everybody in a voted for me online. Put your hands behind yourself. Everybody said this guy will be an incorruptible, straightforward policeman.
You be like,
They didn't say the same thing about you. They were saying this man will collect budget. And he says, I'm going to do this. Put your hands behind. Love you all, and please let's stay positive for Nigeria's sake.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.